unveiling the charismatic history of Santa Claus. Our beloved Santa Claus, a timeless gift giver, has a rich and colorful past that transcends centuries and continents. Rooted in 4th century Turkey, the legend initially revolved around Saint Nicholas, known for his extraordinary kindness and generosity. His story crossed the Atlantic during the 18th century, blending with European folklore to create the modern jolly figure we know today. With the 1820s Clement Clarke Moore's poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas, Santa's image began to solidify, driving into our collective imagination. Then, in the 1930s, Coca-Cola commissioned artist Haddon Sundblom to create a Santa for their Christmas advertising, cementing his cheerful and plump image. His red suit, reindeer sleigh, and North Pole residence became symbolic of modern Christmas, shaping the holiday season worldwide. From a humble bishop to a globally adored symbol, the history of Santa Claus is a testament to the enduring power of tradition.